What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your Chase mortgage account online. Let's get straight into it. So it's a pretty simple process, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to go through that. So first thing you want to do is to sign into your Chase online account. That's step one. Just sign into your Chase account. Of course, you could also do that on the mobile app as well as the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on mortgages and then select your mortgage account. Next, you want to view your mortgage balance as well as your payment due date and payment history. And here you can make a payment online, or you could set up automatic payments to make things more convenient. And lastly, you just want to review and update your account information in case anything has changed and you need to provide updated info. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to manage your Chase mortgage account online. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.